Sascha. I'm founder of MSF, Motor Skills Factory. We do motorcycle trainings here on-road and off-road, and been for the last couple of years focusing a lot on ADV riding and ADV trainings and tours and everything. We've been cooperating with Jerry, the founder of SBV Tools, for about 2 years now. And yeah, we're really great to have him on board and help us with these tools. Number one, they're a little bit different to use, so that's really convenient. Number two, it's not a big pack, so you can store them pretty fairly anywhere, right? Like, I mean, you can do that with other tools as well, but in this pack, you've got everything, you know, especially for, you know, the BMW set, the KTM set, Triumph set, whatever, you know. So you have all the tools that you need for your bike, and you don't really, number one, you don't have to go and gather everything and put them in a bag and everything yourself, so you have everything right there. All you do is take it, stock with someone on your bike, and off you go. Well, when we ride, something always breaks. You know, it gets bent or whatever, it needs fixing. So there's not one ride where we don't pull out the tools and use them, yeah. I personally, I'm using the Pro Mechanics pack, and I really love that pack because it includes all the tools for all the brands. The details in those tools are really, really cool. They're small, but when you use them outdoors in 35, 40 degrees heat in your gear, it does make a big difference. So there is a difference between these tools and tools that you would use normally in your garage in a well-ventilated area.